Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making spinach and glass noodle salad. Let's get right to it. In a saucepan, bring water to a boil. Add spinach and cook for 1 minute. Fish out to a bowl of cold water. Then add spinach on a plate and place pre-soaked glass noodles on the top. Press garlics over glass noodles and also hand-shredded red chili peppers. Add some peanuts around the spinach. To make a sauce, add seasoned soy sauce for seafood, black vinegar, sugar, salt, chicken powder, sesame oil to a bowl and stir fully. Heat cooking oil over high until you see smoke. Pour over the glass noodles. Gently toss together the spinach, glass noodles, and peanuts with dressing. Then spinach and glass noodle salad is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.